Hello everybody, good morning. This is Mo and this is Mo's Earthquake Info Time. It is now 10 a.m., October the 30th, 2016. Let's get right into some strange stuff going on this morning. Okay. If you recall, yesterday we did talk a lot about Italy and what's going on really close to Rome. Well, this morning all of these things have built up and it has bumped into each other pretty bad. A collision going on. Italy this morning is reporting a 6.6 earthquake that did happen north of Norcia, Italy. 6.6 earthquake, 10 kilometers deep. Almost 1,000 people have been reporting on this today. They are in red alert area there. I see red markings. I also see tremendous shaking going on. It shows me a shake map. This is from usgs.gov. And the shaking can be felt all the way down to Rome, Gilanova, Macerata, Ancona, all the way through here. Even down into Napoli. Okay, Benevento also. Vasto, Pescara. All around there. Shake can be Bologna. Just a lot of shaking everywhere. Narcia. 6.6. Very shallow as well. We will be keeping an eye on there. Now they are saying there are a lot of aftershocks. Some of those aftershocks are a 4.7. Okay, in Cassia. A 4.3 as well. Lots of people are reporting on it. We will probably have more. And don't forget, aftershocks can go on for days and weeks after a huge earthquake has happened. So this 6.6, they're calling it very, very damaging. Lots of people reporting on it. We'll find out more when it comes out. As soon as people start getting updates about it, I will let you know. Also, very interesting, I want to point out something going on in Fiji, okay? Nidoi Island, Fiji. 293 kilometers north-northeast. But right down in there, there's also another place called Vanuatu. And they also had an earthquake, a 4.5, 225 kilometers deep. The one in Fiji was also 4.5, 608 kilometers deep though. Okay, so, wow. That is two fairly large, fairly deep earthquakes in the approximate same location. Vanuatu and Fiji. Now what I want to see. Okay. The one that happened near Fiji is on something called the Tonga Trench. And the one that happened in Vanuatu I don't recall what the name of that trench is, but it's right next to the Tonga Trench. Two 4.5s right there. Absolutely amazing. Okay, what about the South Solomon Trench? That is down there. And the North New Hebrides Trench runs right by Vanuatu. That Tonga Trench, where is it? I don't see those two trenches connecting up, but they're very close to each other right there. Remember we were talking about yesterday how these earthquakes are happening along trenches and stuff and very close to volcanoes. I am about to get on that volcano report, and I will be back with you to let you know about that. Perry, Oklahoma, 3.8. Okay? 3.8 people are reporting on it. Baja California, 2.9. Only 29 kilometers deep, and it is southeast of Tijuana and also southeast of Mexicali. That border there of California and going down into Baja California. The Imperial fault line goes on through there. So that is a 2.9 right there. Okay? That goes into the Gulf of California there. We've talked about that area before. Volcanoes are active down there. And all of these earthquakes popping up everywhere. We want to be prepared. I will come back with a volcano report of any volcano close to that Italy area, like Vesuvius, for instance, or any other one. I will come back and let you know about that. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. If I find out any more information, I will let you know. Have a great day.